Hi friends, welcome to this video. This is very important question which will be asked every year in JEE mains as well as in NEET, right? So this is the question from solid state, right? So let us solve this. So see, element B forms CCP structure and E occupies octahedral voids. Oxygen atom occupies tetrahedral voids. The structure of bimetallic oxide is, right? So one of the easiest question if you know thoroughly, right? So first you have to remember these points. CCP structure. What is this CCP structure? Is nothing but the FCC. Face centered structure or face centered cube, we call it as CCP also, right? Cubic closed packing is nothing but the face centered, right? So in FCC you know that if this is the structure FCC, the atoms will be present at corner and faces. Atoms will be present at corner and faces. So corner, how many corners are there in a cube? It will be having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 corners will be there. So 8 corners, and each corner will be shared by 8 unit cells. See, one unit cell here, second unit cell here, above this one unit cell third, and here on fourth. So down 4, top 4, total 8 sharing will be happening. So 8 corners, each corner is shared by 8 unit cell, so it will be divided by 1 by 8. Similarly, how many faces will be there in a cube? See, this is one face, this is one face, this is second face, this is third face, and this is fourth face, right? Above one face, below one face, total 6 faces will be there, right? You can see your room only. If you have a room will be having 4 walls, right? 1 2 3 4, 4 walls. Above ceiling one, below what? Below floor one, right? So 4 walls, one ceiling and one floor, totally 6 face will be there. So 6 face will be there, and each face, if one more room is attached to your room, you assume, so each face will be shared by 2 unit cell, so it will be divided by 1 by 2, right? So how many atoms will be there in FCC? Just you can calculate. 8 into 1 by 8 is nothing but 1. 6 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 3. Total it will be 4 atoms. 4 atoms. So for FCC, Z is equal to 4. Means what is Z? Number of atoms or the molecules per unit cell. Per unit cell is 4, right? So in FCC, Z is equal to 4. So it will be having octahedral voids. Octahedral voids means it is the space between 6 touching spheres, above one and below one. So here the space will be there, right? That space is nothing but the octahedral voids. The space between 6 touching spheres, that will also be 4, right? You have to remember like this. In each unit cell, how many atoms will be there? Same number of octahedral voids will be there. That is the point. How many atoms will be there within the unit cell? Same number of octahedral voids will be there. So there will be 4 octahedral voids. And we know the formula T is equal to 2 times O. What is this? Tetrahedral voids will be twice of octahedral voids. So tetrahedral, TD. Tetrahedral voids will be twice of octahedral voids. 2 into 4 is nothing but 8. Right. So this is the formula. If you remember, then you can easily solve this. So for FCC, how many atoms will be there per unit cell? 4. Since it is 4, octahedral voids will also be 4. So since octahedral voids are 4, with the formula T is equal to 2 times O, tetrahedral voids is equal to twice of octahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids is equal to twice. 2 into octahedral voids 4. So it will be 8. Right. So this is the general formula, you know. Now just come back to the question. See, element B forms CCP structure. So B forms CCP structure means how many B atoms will be there? B 4 atoms will be there, because Z CCP, the number of atoms per unit cell will be 4. So B is forming CCP. So B 4 will be there. And A occupies half of the octahedral voids. Half they have mentioned. How many octahedral voids are there in FCC? It will be having 4 octahedral voids. But A is occupying half, means 4 divided by 2. It will be 2. A2, B4. Right. While oxygen atoms occupy all tetrahedral voids. How many tetrahedral voids are there? 8. So oxygen is occupying all tetrahedraloids. So this is the formula A2B4O8. Right. If you check any formula is there like this A2B4O8, no. If you divide it by simply 2, because all are divisible, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. So the formula will be now A1B2O8. So can you check A1B2O8, A1B2, sorry, O4, not O8, O4, A1B2, O4. So option A is the correct option, right? I hope this is helpful for you. So this is the definite question. Every time it will be asked, so you have to concentrate. If you liked this video, please share with your friends so that it will be helpful for them also. Do share with their juniors so that it will build the concepts, basics, what they have to read and how to read, everything they will understand. So to qualifying the exams, it becomes easy for them also, right? So sharing and caring is very important in life. And do subscribe, do share, and give the like button for this video, and thank you.